This is Sheree from Just Nailed It, and welcome. Today I am here to represent for the Mountain Girls. This is a collaboration that's been out for a hot minute, and I have recently joined. So I'm excited. We're doing wedding nails this month of July. That's so out of my comfort zone. So I wanted to do a French. I don't have the pink to do it, so I went with a nude. My nude is from Nail Reserve, formerly LA Nail Addicts. Beautiful colors, you can see, it is true. I also use their base coat. I'm going to be using, let me see, my white is Modelones. Let's see here, 0555. Sorry about that. So we put those aside, use those. On these two nails, I've got some glitter going on. I have used She Modern Sparkling Opal Sheer Glitter Pixie. So we're going to do that on this nail here. I'm going to use She Modern Stencil Glue Gel. You can find this on She Modern's catalog at shemodern.com. And I am a brand ambassador for her company. So if you want to make a purchase, please use my code to save yourself 10% off your bill. My code is NailedIt67, all in caps. Try to get this good here. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp. I'm going to hit it for a hot 30 seconds. My ring and index finger is going to be this beautiful foil from Charlie's. It is a busy floral. Let me see. White floral busy lace. I think this is really nice. I think it speaks weddings. So we're going to use Beetle's Nail Art Foil Glue. Okay, let's skip around for a hot minute. We're going to put our pixie glitter on our nail. Tap, tap, tap. Don't overdo it, you only need a little bit. Rub it in. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to get my brush, lightly buff her off, and pop her back here because we are going to be top coating. Back to this nail here. Alright, put your nail art foil glue down, need some gels. You can get this off of Amazon. Chew in a set, I believe, is where I got mine. So I thought it was a great deal. It was like $10 for 2 bottles. Maybe it was 8 something and change. So we're going to stick that in the lamp. Give that a 60-second cure. So down in the comments as well as the description box will be a playlist pinned. And a write-up hopefully with everybody that took place. So you can go check out their videos and their pictures on Instagram. Go look us up on Instagram. I am JUST.NAILEDIT. You can check me out there. I'll have a collage with everybody's picture in it that took part. So I'd appreciate the support here. I'd appreciate it on Instagram as well. I know the other ladies would definitely appreciate the support. There ain't no other way around it. It helps our channel. It helps us grow. Please give the video a like, a share, because that helps my algorithm and gets my videos out there to be seen. And my channel could definitely use that right now. My views are down, my watch time is down, and I know it's summertime. I mean, I know. Here's our nail. Let's get us some foil out here. Smooth it out on the nail. Rub, rub. This should transfer nicely. Got a wrinkle. I got a wrinkle. Not good. So I'm just gonna rub, rub, rub all over the nail, cuticle to the tip. Sidewall to sidewall. So let's see, did we get a transfer? Yes, we did. Yes, we did, by George. I don't know how well you can see this. This is a beautiful, beautiful lace foil. It is oh so delicate. Oh so delicate. I want to thank Jillian Lewis. She helps me with my idea. She doesn't do videos, she's only on Instagram, so go check her out. I give props to her. She helped me out with figuring out my design. Out of the lamp. So I'm going to try and get to smooth this puppy out. Rub, rub, rub. I love doing foils now that I figured out I had a bad lamp. I gave away probably about a good 4 or 6 bottles of nail foil glue that I thought did not work. Come to find out it was my lamp. I gave away my cart. What else did I give away? Beetles. Even though that's what I got now, I gave some of theirs away. Pretty Diva, I believe it was. I gave away a lot of foil glue and thought it didn't work. It didn't work. So we're gonna rub, rub, rub. I know I'm doing a lot of rubbing here, aren't I? It should transfer by now, long ago probably. There we go. Leave it off to the side. So here we go. There are our foil nails. They're oh so delicate. I think this is beautiful for a wedding set. I am going to top coat. I'm the fingers with the French. I am going to add one little blue stone. What is this? Okay, here's my top coat. We're going to top coat all our nails. We'll put the bling on last. I should have used my other top coat. Should be using my other. If you are new here, and you probably are from the Mountain Girls channel watching all of theirs, I ask you and I invite you to please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. I'm still yet to start my 5-year anniversary giveaway. I'm kind of late. July 2nd was my 5 years on YouTube. And I got a little bit of a giveaway. It's not much. I've got more U.S. sponsors than international, of course. Nobody wants to ship international. It kind of sucks because I got a lot of international people that would love to win something. They follow the rules too. Oh, this looks so beautiful. So beautiful. So let me see. There we go. Think that looks alright. Well, I kind of want to put some other stones on there, but I'm not sure. I mean, it is a wedding set. I don't know if that looks sufficient, or if I should add some more bling on it. Let me see how this looks. Just let me take a gander. Huh, what do you think? What do you think? I think I'm going to pause. I'm going to add this to the rest of the video, or the rest of the nails. I like it. I'm really liking it. It doesn't want to release. Oh, shoot. So I'm going to pause and we will be back. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Here we go with our wedding set. I think these turned out really, really nice. I'm very proud of them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.